I don't think my subscribers have seen, but I got rid of my exhaust back here. Oh shit. I lost my tow hook. What, fuck. Oh no. I lost my tow hook in the front, so this might work. Let's take this one off and put it on the back, so I'll be good. Alright guys, now we're even. So also I didn't show my subscribers, I got new seats. I don't know if anyone's ever seen these in a Jeep Wrangler, but I got Corbeau seats. Also redid the back seat. Sadly, I'm getting rid of my Jeep over here. I've had it for about 5 years now. Actually even longer, probably 6 years now. It's 2010. It's a little too bumpy for me, you know. The gearing's a little short for my daily drive to work every day. It's in really good shape. It's only got about 63,000 miles on it, but I'm actually going to get something new, which you guys will see here. It's on the way. It's going to be sad letting this one go, especially since I've had it for so long. This is my friend's Tesla. Unfortunately, you can see there's some damage right here. Curious to see how much it cost to fix. Right now we went to a place and they said it was $9,400 to fix this. So we're gonna go to a good friend of ours who owns a body shop and see what he's gonna give us, just to see the difference on how bad these guys are screwing us on this. So we're gonna take a ride. Is this car even like on right now? Mm-hmm. So distracting, this giant screen. Oh jeez. There goes my phone. Holy cow, this thing is sweet. Alcantara. Nice back seat. Jeez. Oh, that's so cool. It like shows you driving on the road as well while you're driving. A little bit of a waste of time. Went to the auto body shop, and the guy wasn't even here to fix our, take a look at our car. But at least it's nice out, and we got to try a new burger place. Let's see, how's it look? I like the buns. Right. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's see this acceleration. God. That's sick. Tell us the truck in front of us. 0 to 60.
Not 60, can't go 60 here.
Now the police right there. 0 to 60. Let's see it. Not bad.
I could have got past it.
Did you floor it?
Not yet.
You didn't even floor it?
Cops.
The cops. You're going to cops. Oh, Jesus. Alright guys, so actually it wasn't a complete waste of a day. Some of the guys from the shop took a look at the car, took some pictures. sent it to the owner, and he gave us a price on fixing the vehicle. It's actually gonna be $3,000 instead of $9,400, so we're gonna save some money there. Also, I want you guys to subscribe and like this video. I'm going to be posting some more videos of my M2 production status, which I just checked actually, and production has ended. And it should be en route to the US, should be about 2-3 weeks from now. So BMW has this neat system where it shows your orders have been documented, production has begun, and production ends. So it says right here the production ended actually. I even called them and they said that it is in the port ready to get shipped. So it should be about let's say 2-3 weeks, what my dealer said. But guys, I'm really excited. I'm going to keep on posting, and I'm going to try to actually track the car en route on a ship. So if you guys want to follow me and follow this process as well as filming me picking up the vehicle in a couple weeks, I'm going to be posting that very soon. Alright, again, subscribe and like this video, and hopefully you guys watch my next videos coming up soon. Alright.